Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to check your PC or laptop is compatible with the new Windows 11 and can it run Windows 11 on your old if you have an old laptop or old desktop PC. So to check that, make sure you have the version TPM of 2.0 or above than that. So if I go to the Microsoft page here, and here you can see the basic requirement for the installing Windows 11 on a PC. So processor, you can use 1 GHz, RAM 4 GB and 64 GB or larger storage device, and system firmware should be UEFI secure boot capable, which my motherboard is not, and also trusted platform module TPM version 2.0. So you have to check that. So to check that, just go to the search bar and search for run option here, and you have to type here tpm.msc. Search for run, then open the run app, then type tpm.msc, then click OK, and this will show you this compatible TPM cannot be found. And if it's enabled and if it founds, then it will show you compatible TPM is enabled and found. But in my case, compatible trusted platform module cannot be found on this computer. Verify that this computer has a 1.2 TPM or later it's turned on the BIOS. So my motherboard is very old and this laptop is very old laptop, so that's why this doesn't have the latest version of TPM here. So maybe I cannot install Windows 11 in this PC here, or if I go to the BIOS setting, maybe I can disable or enable something to make install Windows 11. So that will be another tutorial, because many other laptop or desktop PC have other motherboard like Gigabyte, Gigatech or MSI, so that will be another tutorial. So if you want to know that if your PC can run the Windows 11, that's how you know that this laptop cannot run Windows 11, because the TPM cannot be found. So first of all, make sure that your motherboard truly has a TPM 2.0 chip. That is component usually present on the most machine, but if yours is truly an old one, it might not have. So that's it guys. This is how you know if your PC can run the Windows 11 operating system. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.